In the last class, we discussed even and odd functions and done some problems on even and odd functions. Today, I want to solve some more problems on even and odd functions. See the students. Hello. Find Fourier series of f of x is equal to modulus sin x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to modulus sin x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi. Solution. Now, given f of x is equal to modulus sin x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi. Now, check the students whether it is even or odd function. So, take f of minus x, that is equal to modulus sin of minus x, that is equal to modulus sin x, that is equal to sin x. Therefore, f of minus x is equal to f of x, students. F of minus x is equal to f of x. Therefore, f of x is even function. F of x is even function. Now, the Fourier series of f of x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma an cos nx, where n is equal to 1 to infinity. Because it is even function, we have two terms only. So f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. Now, what is a naught? A naught is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. What is an? 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. I want to find a naught value, students. A naught is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi. What is f of x here? F of x is modulus sin x dx. Now, so this is x axis and this is y axis. Our interval is 0 to pi, students. 0 to pi. Now, sin is positive here. Sin is positive. In second quadrant also, sin also positive, students. So, that is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi. Both the quadrants, sin is positive. So, modulus sin x can be written as sin x dx. That is equal to 2 by pi integral of sin x minus cos x, bracket close, between the interval 0 to pi. That is equal to 2 pi cos pi, students. Since we know that cos n pi is equal to minus 1 whole power n. So, cos pi value n is equal to 1, minus 1 whole power n. So, minus 1 whole power 1. So, we got minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. We are substituting lower limits. So, minus into minus plus cos 0 1, students. So, that is equal to 1 plus 1 2. That is equal to 4 by 5. This is a naught value. But we need here a naught by 2. So, a naught by 2. That is equal to 2 by 5. A naught naught by 2, that is equal to 2 pi. Now I am going to find an value is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi. F of x is, you can write it directly, students, as sin x cos nx dx. Now since 2 cos a sin b, that is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. What is formula? Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. We have 2 here, students. So I can write here 1 by pi integral 0 to pi 2 cos a sin b. So what is a here? Nx. What is b? X. So sin a plus b. Sin a plus b means sin nx plus x. We can take in common x, students, here. So n plus 1 into x minus sin a minus b. Taking common again x here, we got n minus 1 into x into dx. So that is equal to 1 by pi integral of sin n plus 1x, students. That is bracket minus cos n plus 1x by n plus 1 minus, here also same, minus cos, so minus and minus plus cos n minus 1x by n minus 1 bracket close into between 0 to pi. Now substitute upper limit, that is equal to 1 by pi minus cos, substitute upper limit pi at the place of x, students, multiply. So pi plus n pi by n plus 1 plus here also write, students, cos, write pi at place of x, multiply pi. So we know cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So pi minus n pi divided by n minus 1 minus, substitute lower limit, students, minus into minus plus, cos 0 value is 1, so we get 1 by n plus 1. Here plus into minus 1 by cos 0 value is 0, 1 by n minus 1 bracket close. That is equal to 1 by pi bracket pi plus means this is 0, pi by 2, and this is pi. Pi plus means third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative, students. So minus into minus plus. So cos n pi by n plus 1 plus pi minus, students. Pi minus means it is second quadrant. Second quadrant also there is minus here. So minus cos n pi by n minus 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n minus 1. That is equal to 1 by pi cos n pi value is minus 1 whole power n. So minus 1 whole power n bracket taking minus 1 whole power n here. So 1 by n plus 1, 1 by n minus 1. N plus 1, n minus 1. So n plus 1 here, n plus 1, n minus 1 times here. So n minus 1, we have minus here, minus n minus 1, n minus 1. So n plus 1 times, so minus n minus 1 plus, same, then close here, plus. Here also LCM is n plus 1 into n minus 1. So here n minus 1, here minus n minus 1, bracket close. Here minus n plus n, cancel. Here also plus n minus n, cancel. So that is equal to, here we have minus 2 by n square minus 1. Here also minus 2 by n square minus 1. Taking common here. Minus 2 by n square minus 1 into pi. So what are the rest of the terms here? Minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Now, in such cases, again we define odd values and even values for n. So n is odd. N is odd. So n is odd means we got minus 1, so the value is 0. So n is even. Even. So minus 1 whole square. We get plus 1. So 2 into minus 2. Minus 4 pi n square minus 1 into pi. This is an value, students. Therefore, the Fourier series modulus sin x is equal to a naught by 2 value 2 by pi plus sigma. We defined n even value, students. N is equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on to infinity. What is the n value, students? Minus 4 by n square minus 1 into pi into cos nx. This is the Fourier series of modulus sin x, students. Now let us see the second problem on even and odd function, students. Right now, students, find important Fourier series of f of x is equal to modulus cos x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi. So students, find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to modulus cos x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi. This is very, very important, students. This is very, very important problem. So see the solution. Given f of x is equal to modulus cos x. Clearly, f of x is even function, students. There is no need to write. So there is no need to write. F of x is even because cos x is even. F of x is even. The Fourier series of f of x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi is even function. So the Fourier series is f of x is equal to, very good, n naught by 2 plus sigma a n cos nx. N is equal to 1 to infinity. Now, what is a naught value? 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. What is a n value? 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. So a naught is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x. What is f of x? Modulus cos x. Modulus cos x dx. What is the interval, students, here? 0 to pi, students. What is interval? 0 to pi. So this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi. In previous problem, 0 to pi, sign is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. But here cos is positive in the first quadrant and negative in the second quadrant. Positive in the first quadrant and negative in the second quadrant. So you split the limits. Tell me, student, limits 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi. So that is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 is positive. So modulus cos x value is cos x into dx plus integral pi by 2 to pi. pi by 2 to pi. Here is negative, student. So we write here minus cos x dx. Cos x dx. Since we know here modulus x value is x, if it is positive, negative, if it is minus x, that is equal to 2 by pi integral of cos x sin x by 1. So there is no 0 to pi by 2 plus minus integral of cos x sin x between pi by 2 to pi. So that is equal to 2 by pi sin pi by 2 value is 1, sin pi by 2 value is 1, sin 0 0 minus sin pi value is 0 because sin n pi is equal to 0. Minus and minus plus sin pi by 2 value 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 2 4 by pi. That implies I need a naught by 2 value, students. So a naught by 2, that is equal to 2 by pi. 2 by pi. Now I want to find an value, students. An is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x, students. F of x is again modulus cos x and then cos nx dx. So similar line, students. Here modulus cos x is split the limits, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x and cos nx dx plus integral pi by 2 to pi by 2 to pi, this time minus cos x cos nx dx, bracket close. That is equal, multiply with 2, so 1 by pi integral 0 to pi by 2 right proper order cos nx cos x dx plus minus integral pi by 2 to pi 2 cos nx cos x dx. So we have formula here, students. What is formula? Since 2 cos a cos b, that is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos a plus b cos a minus b. So that is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi by 2 cos a plus b. What is a here? A is equal to nx. What is b? B is equal to x. Similarly here a is equal to nx, b is equal to x. So cos a plus b. So cos plus 1x plus cos a minus b, nx minus x. So taking common x, so n minus 1 into x into dx plus minus, we have minus here, integral pi by 2 to pi. Similar lines, students. Cos n plus 1 x plus cos n minus 1 x into dx, bracket close. So that is equal to 1 by pi integral of cos n plus 1, students, sin n plus 1 x by n plus 1 plus here cos n minus 1 x sin n minus 1 x by n minus 1 between limits 0 to pi by 2 minus here also same cos n plus 1 x sin n plus 1 x by n plus 1 bracket plus sin n minus 1 x by n minus 1. Here limits pi by 2 to pi by 2 to pi, bracket close. So that is equal to 1 by pi, pi by 2 students here. Substitute upper limit. Sin pi by 2. So multiply with students. N pi by 2 plus pi by 2 by n plus 1 plus, here also substitute pi by 2, multiply with pi by 2, we got here sin. Taking common, take the reverse students, sin of minus x is equal to minus nx, so we got minus here. So I want to write here pi by 2 minus n pi by 2 divided by n minus 1. Substitute lower limits, sin 0, 0, sin 0, 0, minus bracket, substitute upper limit, because we know that sin n pi value 0, sin n pi value 0, so this value 0, here also value 0, minus, lower substitute lower limit students, sin pi by 2, multiply with pi by 2, so n pi by 2 plus pi by 2 by n plus 1 minus, here also substitute pi by 2, multiply pi by 2, so got here sin n pi, taking common minus students here, plus, minus and minus plus, so pi by 2 minus n pi by 2 divided by n minus 1, bracket close. So that is equal to 1 by pi by 2 plus students, this is 0 pi by 2, pi by 2 plus means it is second quadrant, pi by 2 plus means it is second quadrant sign is positive, so pi by 2 and sin pi by 2 we got cos, so cos n pi by 2 by n plus 1. Here pi by 2 minus means we got pi by 2 minus means first quadrant is also positive, so got here minus cos n pi by 2 by n minus 1, minus and minus plus, same, cos n pi by 2 by n plus 1, here also minus into plus, minus cos n pi by 2 by n minus 1, bracket close. That is equal to 1 by pi, entire the terms taking common, cos n pi by 2, so cos n pi by 2, n pi by 2. Here we have 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by n plus 1, 2 by n plus 1. Here we have 1 by n minus 1 minus 1 by, minus 1 by n minus 1 minus 1 by n minus 1 minus 2 by n minus 1. So we can also take in common 2 students, 2. So finally we get here 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n minus 1. So that is equal to 2 cos n pi by 2 by pi. What is the LCM here? N plus 1 into n minus 1. So n plus 1, n minus 1 times. So n minus 1 here, n plus 1 minus. So minus of n plus 1, minus n minus 1. Minus n plus n cancel. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 4. So minus 4 cos n pi by 2 by pi. This is a n value students. Therefore, Fourier series of f of x is modulus cos x, that is equal to a0 by 2 value 2 by pi plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n value. A n value is minus 4 cos n pi by 2 by pi into cos nx. This is the Fourier series students. These two problems are very, very important students. Better to practice twice and thrice. Hope you understand the students. In the next class, I am going to discuss change of interval. Thank you for watching this video. Jai